That's for Mr. Lucian C. Diogo.
Good afternoon, everybody. Palakpakan natin muna ang PMA for being able to mount another exciting conference for 2025. Yung nakita niyo pong video showing the officers in live motion, AI-enabled po yun. So, I'm very much delighted with your presence, and I'm grateful for the chance to share with you what's in store for this year's 54th edition of the National Marketing Conference. What will be covered in my presentation will be what the National Marketing Conference is about and the very framework we anchored on this year's mounting of the NMC. And lastly, I would like to share with you and our attendees what to expect in the NMC program packed day with panel discussions and breakout sessions. So the National Marketing Conference is staged annually by the PMA, where we convene marketing experts, business leaders, and strategic thinkers, both locally and abroad, to discuss marketing trends, innovation, and as well as best practices. NMC is one of the flagship events of the PMA. It's proven to be well attended by marketers, entrepreneurs, brand and creative storytellers, educators, and even students in the past, as it serves as a convergence point for partnerships, collaboration, and opportunities for learning the strategic growth. The 54th National Marketing Conference centers on the theme AI-Enabled Marketing, Artificial Intelligence Inside Out, where we consider the value of enabled marketing as a human-centric approach on the role of AI in our lives today. It aims to delve on how AI enhances creativity, efficiency, and customer connections, empowering small, medium, and large businesses to grow with purpose. We'll explore how AI is reshaping today's marketing landscape and uncover its role in driving growth and efficiency across businesses. Our overall goal is to capacitate our audience about seeing the beauty of AI, that when applied thoughtfully and responsibly by us, humans, can help improve performance and transform the way we engage with our markets. At this point, I'd like to show you a video for further appreciation.
Marketing, it's a whole roller coaster of emotion. Joy, sadness, fear, anger, disgust. The full color wheel of emotions in display. Founder, manager, marketer, student. Success and failure falls on the hands painting the canvas to turn feelings into data-driven stories that spark connection. But now, we've leveled up beyond brushes and canvases to bring brands to life. We've got the ultimate marketing console, AI. The control center, the memory keeper, the vibe shaper. It's rewriting how brands are built and how people identify with it. But despite its power, console is still in the hands of the marketer, turning code into human connection, transforming data into unforgettable experience, shaping core memories, building bonds, creating value you can't replace. AI Inside Out, mastering emotional experience with AI and neuromarketing. The 54th National Marketing Conference 2025.
This year's theme, AI-Enabled Marketing, or Artificial Intelligence Inside Out, is about harnessing AI not just a tool, but as a partner, working from the inside and decoding the data, and from the outside, redefine customer experience. AI won't replace our creativity or empathy. It will supercharge them and make things faster and easier for us, so we can focus on the other strategic tasks. Here's the framework we follow for this year's staging of the NMC. While we see AI as a powerful tool or as a partner, as I earlier mentioned, AI on its own lacks intuition, empathy, and creativity so far. So when we humans intervene or combine AI with our way of thinking, we create a balance that leads to developing smarter and more sound decision making that shall fire up the three major pillars that you see. On content, AI can generate AI driven insights or provide recommendations, which we need to redefine further to be able to achieve more compelling and personalized content. We're still pilots in developing content that are relevant to our target market. On commerce, AI streamlines processes like predictive inventory or personalized product recommendations and even automated transactions. But our role as humans is to ensure that values like trust and integrity are part of our critical factors in closing and managing transactions. Nurturing relationships with our partners and customers as part of the buying process is also indispensable. On customer experience, as AI powers real-time personalization and various predictive services, the human touch through our creativity and sound judgment make the difference. As we make ourselves available, whether in introducing an idea on a new product line, or troubleshooting a problem in production, or attending to an irate customer, our human involvement makes the entire customer journey meaningful and seamless. So we increase customer stickiness or loyalty, or we acquire new ones, which lead to further growing the business. The collaboration of AI and human intervention on the enhancement of the three pillars, which are content, commerce, and customer experience, with intelligent creativity and empathy for more strategic decision making, boosts competitive advantage in marketing, and serves brand purpose more efficiently, driving good business performance either for a much needed pivot or expansion to ensure business sustainability to come. October 23 promises to be a day filled with learning and networking opportunities. There will be booths and exhibits outside the ballroom that attendees can explore during the break time. In the morning, we will start the meeting everyone at the venue, at the main ballroom, for our opening ceremony, which will be followed by two plenaries. After lunch, breakout sessions on content, commerce, and customer experience will start. Then the attendees will reconvene at the ballroom in the afternoon for another set of three exciting plenaries. Our first panel of discussion for the day will be about AI in business, which is about exploring how MSMEs and marketers across the Philippines are already using AI, from automating social media posts and customer chats to personalizing e-commerce offers, and what barriers still exist. Second is a global benchmark, which will give a snapshot of how AI is revolutionizing marketing worldwide, including hyper-personalized customer journeys, real-time creative optimization, and predictive media buying, and voice-activated commerce. Last is the AI maturity roadmap, where the focus will be understanding of the four levels of AI adoption: awareness, experimentation, and integration intelligence, and where your business sits on the curve. And then the dual perspective session will center on using AI and neuromarketing to make marketing more human. The discussion will show how marketers can use AI not just to optimize performance, but also deepen emotional connection with real people. As synthetic content, algorithmic targeting, and automation become mainstream, the challenge is not about efficiency, but also about authenticity. This session brings together two thought leaders who demonstrate AI who can help marketers deliver emotionally resonant experiences at scale. There, we will have a session on how AI is helping humans understand consumer emotions, where attendees can learn how AI-powered tools, from sentiment analysis to behavioral prediction, are being integrated into marketing workflows to move beyond demographic targeting and the values-based, emotionally relevant engagement. The other session will delve into bringing heart into the machine, specifically on how humans and AI co-create emotionally resonant marketing. The audience can learn about how marketers and machines can collaborate to preserve brand voice, adapt tone, and shape storytelling that resonates, using neuromarketing principles, ethical AI practices, and real-time creative iteration. In today's digital landscape, content is just more than words. Content drives engagement and builds trust. While AI can tell us what to say and when to say it, humans define how to say it in a way that's authentic, creative, and relevant. So we have three breakout sessions on content, which are the following. First is Smart Content 101, which will give an overview of the tools that are worth one's investment of time and budget. And the session shall teach how to use AI for basic copy, image, and content workflows. Second, we'll have Balancing AI Scale versus Brand Voice, where participants can expect to learn how AI can help streamline content creation, reduce production line, and scale campaigns without losing emotional impact. Third is leveraging content through AI and data, where the use of AI in tracking engagement, optimizing in real time, and suggesting performance improvement will be featured along with the identification of metrics that matter for storytellers versus sales. And then we have the three breakout sessions for commerce. First topic will be smarter commerce using AI to rethink the shopping journey, which will discuss how AI is reshaping every stage of the buying journey from product discovery to repeat purchase. Second is AI going to end search CEO? Discover how AI is transforming search by moving beyond rankings to deliver personalized recommendations, influencing buying decisions. But the real question is it really going to replace search? The third is AI toolkit for lean e-commerce teams, scaling smarter, not harder, which will center on the following: how AI accelerates product content creation from images and descriptions to CEO and listings, ways to automate and personalize e-commerce marketing across channels without increasing headcount, and tools that streamline campaign launches, product updates, and customer engagement. For the third breakout session, which will focus on customer experience, these are the following topics. First is crafting human experiences at scale, the art and science of AI-driven customer empathy, which will discuss the following: how AI can empower brands to create personalized, emotionally resonant customer experiences without sacrificing scalability and efficiency. Second is personalization meets empathy, how AI-driven strategies can make content feel deeply personal and culturally relevant, even at scale. And then we have our leadership insights, lesson learned from leading digital transformation across APAC markets, spotlighting agility, culture, and tech adoption. Second session will focus on contacts and to connections, building lasting relationships using AI that shall center on how AI enriches your view of the customer, moving from personalization to predictive interactions, and using AI for personalized rewards and loyalty journeys. And then we have the customer feedback by using AI to understand and respond with care, which will be about helping you spot customer feelings like frustration, satisfaction, or confusion in various digital channels by using these AI tools to respond faster and more personally to common service issues. Turning feedback into action, improving service, and keeping customers coming back. We wish that the three sessions will remind participants that blending empathy with intelligence, turning contacts into connections, and using feedback as a foundation for growth will create customer experiences that are more authentic, compassionate, and lasting. Let's leverage AI to help us listen better, connect deeper, and serve with greater purpose with our markets. The third part will be about the afternoon plenaries. The rise of influencers have reshaped marketing, but alongside them, human creators that have carved out a different kind of power, one built on authenticity and community. This session on AI influencers versus human creators, what actually performs, explores the critical question, which model actually delivers? Through the lenses of measurable results, audience sentiment, and cost effectiveness and brand lift, we'll evaluate where each approach excels and where it falls short. More than a comparison, this is a call to re-examine how we define success in our campaigns. By the end, we will have a clearer perspective on who truly drives value for brands in today's fast-changing environment. The second plenary will be about reshaping innovation and competitive advantage in marketing. In this plenary, we'll dive how AI is reshaping innovation and competitive advantage in marketing. To guide our discussion, we'll be exploring three important themes. First, we'll look at how AI enables faster and smarter innovation loops, giving marketers the agility to experiment, learn, and adapt in real time. Second, we'll uncover how human and AI collaboration unlocks deeper customer insights and fresh market opportunities, showing that real power of AI comes when it works hand in hand with human creativity. And third, we'll see real world examples from SMEs, brands that are already using AI to grow smarter, sharpen their product positioning, and stay ahead of the competition. From innovation to uncovering new insights to practical applications across businesses of all sizes, AI is helping marketers and entrepreneurs stay competitive, giving us a strategic advantage. And lastly, our closing plenary is on AI with a heart, transforming businesses through intelligent creativity. And it's all about the real stories and experiences behind the use of AI. The audience will hear directly from founders who embraced AI early, not just because they were trendy, but because it helped them build meaningful solutions. These stories of creativity meeting technology, of problem solved, and impact scale. These founders and leaders are bound to share how AI became their ally in reaching audiences more effectively, without losing the heart of what makes business really human. With various panel sessions and breakout sessions happening on October 23, it is important to ask the key major takeaways we want to achieve and what we want our attendees to bring home and capitalize on. The first one is about AI not being a tool, but rather a process in transforming a business in an organizational structure and workflow perspective. While we see AI as a tool, just like a faster computer or smarter application or system, we want AI to be considered as a process, and more like a catalyst that will break the status quo in our ways of working. As marketers and entrepreneurs, we must back on AI in helping reshape the way we think as a company or as an organization. And everything will follow suit, like the way we operate. And like the way we deliver value in our customers with our products and services. Undoubtedly, AI rewires the business architecture, enabling companies and organizations to become more agile, intelligent, and future ready. Another major takeaway we want to achieve is how human touch is making a big difference in the management of AI in business. We all play a critical role in steering AI towards business priorities, including aligning technology with organizational goals for better decision making. Humans use safeguards and put emotions, creativity, and empathy into the machine, not only for efficiency, but also for measurable, long-term, and more impactful growth. We should always be guided by this balance between human and AI intervention to continuously enhance our pillars on content, commerce, and customer experience as we listen to what the customer wants, understand why they need it, and ask them how else can we keep them engaged with us. Because at the end of the day, aside from gaining new customers, we want to keep them forever with us, happy and content. Let me once again thank you for attending today as I share the NMC team's goal for making this conference level up and incredibly different this year. That is to transform the way people look, use, and manage with AI. With your help, this conversation won't stop here, so we can inspire people to join us in advancing the marketing landscape. We look forward to seeing you at the conference. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Alright, let's give a big round of applause.